Hello guys, Train Clips HD here, welcome to the latest video, and today I'm at Paignton on one of the main terminus points of the Riviera Line. Here's 143617, which is forming the 06 service, I think it's 0634, yeah, 0634, Great Western Railway Service to Exmouth. Just gone out there is 220017, which will form the 0702 to Manchester Piccadilly. So yes, we'll be seeing services by Great Western Railway and cross country. So here today with me, also here today with me is KTV, or Usain Bolt, aka KTV Videos, because he overslept, or slightly overslept this morning, but he still got his train, so he pretty much ran apparently. So yeah, anyway, let's see what's here at Paignton. Okay, departing now, it's 143617. With the 0634 Great Western Railway service starting here to Exmouth, calling out Torquay, Newton Abbot, Teignmouth, Dawlish, Warren, Starcross, Exeter St Thomas, Exeter St David's, Exeter Central, St James's Park, Poleswood Bridge, Digby and Southton, Newcourt, Topsham, Exeter, Lipstone Commander, Lipstone Village and Exmouth.
Next theme video, which is another early morning attraction time video. Don't feed the pats, including Plymouth, Newton Abbot, Bristol Temple Meets.
Did somebody say proper traction? Oh yes, they did actually. Over there is Braveheart, which is successfully undergone its repair scheme, which I'll talk to you more about it in a minute. So yes.
As you can see down there, there's a little crossing. Usually a lot of cars go across that, but that's not till later.
Okay, see what's next. Okay, coming around now is 5 Mike 29, which will form the 0702 cross country service to Manchester Piccadilly, which is now picking up a little bit more speed, which is 220017, which will form 1 Mike 29. Like the destination board says, it goes to Manchester Piccadilly, 0702 departure. Also, a very fun fact for you guys, this service actually does Manchester Piccadilly down to Bournemouth afterwards. A bit of a fun fact for you there. Or it goes to Bristol, I can't remember which, but I know it does one of them. See what's next. Okay, about to depart now is 1 Mike 29, which is the 0702 cross country service for Torquay, Newton Abbot, Teignmouth, Dawlish, Exeter St David's, Tiverton Parkway, Taunton, Western Supermare, Bristol Meads, Bristol Parkway, Cheltenham Spa, Birmingham, New Street, Wolverhampton, Stafford, Stoke-on-Trent, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. Come on boy, you get lost. 220017. I've already sorted my thumbnail for today, but it will come round at about 10:57, hopefully, if it stays on time. My thumbnail will commence at 10:57. Yep. Also up there is the 0706 arrival from Exmouth, which is terminating. Is it from Exeter or Exmouth? Exeter St David's, okay. And yes, it's waiting for clearance to come into this platform. I forgot, so that's why it's waiting. So it should have clearance any minute now, really.
Away from green.
Okay, arriving in now is the 0706 Great Western Railway service from Exeter St David's, which will now form the service back out to Exmouth. The driver gave us a bit of a naughty glare. The teenagers, they shouldn't be up early. Okay, see what's next. Huh? Okay, departing now. is the 0711, or departing now is the 0711 Great Western Railway service starting here to Exmouth, calling at Torquay, Tor, Newton Abbot, Teignmouth, Dawlish, Dawlish, Warren, Starcross, Exeter St Thomas, Exeter St David's, Exeter Central, St James's Park, Foleslow Bridge, Digby and Southton, Newcourt, Topsham, Exton, Lympstone, Commando, Lympstone Village. And Exmouth. Shut up, leave me alone, it's too early.
Go to Lympstone Village, guys.
Hey, Paignton, service to Lympstone Village? No, I'm joking. Look, that steam driver's looking, what a pile of shit this is.
That's like properly making sure that he shouldn't be seen anywhere.
Actually made me laugh a bit.
Lighten up a bit.
God, he's just like a teenager, except he's not, and we are, and we're fine. Well, I'm not fine with him, but I'm fine, yeah. Okay, with a very moody train driver, off it goes.
And a lorry. Lovely.
How fun. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, coming in now is 2 Tango 04, which is a terminating service from Newton Abbot. Which shout out to JD the train spotter, waste of a train. There's only
not necessarily waste of a train before you say this, Jamie, but it is going to form a service for Northern and it does this for Scotland. It forms a service.
No, it does this for it because it's peak time. So they just do it anyway. One 3192. Yes. Along with what I call the open gob 43029 because it's missing its front panel. It's got the best first class in the world as well. So this will form the 0740 to London Paddington. On the rear it's 43026 with a Michael Levis nameplate.
43026 is the rear.
Okay, we'll see this go out in a minute. Okay, departing now is 1 Lima 12, which is the 0740 Great Western Railway service for Torquay, Tor, Newton Abbot, Teignmouth, Dawlish, Starcross, Exeter St Thomas, Exeter St David, Taunton, Western Street from there, Yatton, Bristol, Yatton, Nailsea and Backwell, Bristol, Temple Meads, Swindon, Reading and London Paddington. So 43026 leads the helm. And 43192 assists. It's another version of 122.
Yeah, 029 was like this morning as well.
How would you know?
It's a hurt.
Yeah, and I was on it. You heard it, I was on it.
I saw it as well. So that service now continues to call at Torquay, Tor.
Okay, let's see what's next.
Teignmouth.
Okay, arriving in now is a terminating service from Exmouth. Nearly said Exeter St David's for no obvious reason. Please don't speak to me. I think it's 120 because it's got the slightly misty window.
Please don't do. Okay, right.
I think it is as well.
It is.
I think it's 150, 120. Please say it is. Oh my god, it is.
Go away!
Yes!
Go away!
I told you.
150, 120!
It has a slightly misty driver's window. That's why I can tell. Yes!
No.
150, 120. Ideal.
Let's actually do one. Angry.
Okay, let's see what's
Dan,
next.
guess what? We're triggered.
Okay, sadly going out now, it's 150, 120 with the 0823 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth. starting here at Paignton.
I hope you get broken down so badly that you're never able to run again. I hope you get transferred to Northern, you 150-1 stalking thing.
I love your ranting, by the way, I love it.
That's right, Van, you block it.
Oh, Van, please don't block it, I love you.
No, that one has successfully departed and hopefully never comes back.
Oh, it will. But we will be
on.
here.
Hopefully to a more pleasant experience here at Paignton.
Okay, let's see what's next.
Paignton Great Western Railway service from Exmouth, which is going to go into Paignton Platform 1.
Okay, now arriving then is a termination service from Exmouth.
Platform 1. If it crosses over to 2, then RTT has got me wrong all this time.
Well, no, the points are set up to go on 1.
Yep, it's going on there.
Yes, it's coming on to platform 1 and it'll do a little turnaround. It might couple up to another unit.
14618.
It might couple up to another unit.
Yes, it is. It's 143618.
Yep, 143618.
Stop that, thank you.
Ow! Okay, departing now is 143618, which is coming shining round on platform 2. And there's some beautiful smells going along, isn't there, Kieran? There's some lovely smells going about with the steam railway or the heritage railway next to it.
Go wait at the red light there and probably get a signal path of danger. Or a spad.
Hashtag, that's what I do on train sim all the time, just spad.
Dan's a spad. Except he's not dangerous.
Oh.
He's just annoying.
I am dangerous when I get started.
Disgraceful.
You're disgraceful. There goes that thing. Over there. Anyway, let's see what's next.
Right, and now is...
okay, coming in now is 143618 with the 0912 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth.
Almost Jake, almost white.
To Exmouth. Okay, departing now is the 0912 Great Western Railway service to Exmouth, starting here. Oh, smell the steam.
I'm a grumpy driver. Well, let me just say this. No one has ever had me driving a pacer.
That's true, yeah, you've got a point there. That smells gorgeous. Anyway.
That is 143618.
0912 to Exmouth, calling at Torquay, Tor, Newton Abbot, Timoth, Dawlish, Warren, Starcross, Exeter St Thomas, Exeter St David's, Exeter Central, St James's Park, Poleslow Bridge, Digby and Soughton, Newcourt, Topsham, Exton, Limpstone Commando, Limpstone Village and Exmouth. Anyway, let's see what's next.
Let's zoom in on it and see what it is.
Okay, coming now to terminating service off Newton Abbot. It's green 153. I am absolutely dreading it. By the way, people.
It's 153370.
It bloody well better be.
It is.
Thank God for that.
Yep, 153370 coming in from Newton Abbot. Which, this is coming in from Exeter St David's.
Oh, alright, it's Exeter St David's
This
then.
is going to Newton Abbot. Sorry.
Yeah, this will be going to Newton Abbot.
Exeter St David's. Sorry, my mistake, guys.
Yeah, you better be sorry. Yeah, right, this is off Exeter St David's, not off Newton Abbot. Like, God, it's not 368. It's 2 off though, which is bad news. So it could come back. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, departing now is the 0934 Great Western Railway service to Newton Abbot, Jenks. 153370 Calling that Torquay, Torn, Newton Abbott. Nice way from the driver.
Drivers today. That's 3 now.
Well, he gave me a little wave. Not even a proper wave, it was just like that.
Oh, okay. Maybe he's alright. He's the best one we've had since.
Every rider's been miserable today, except from pretty much him. Okay, a bit of a service update for you. The 10:57 off London Paddington. Apparently it's 9 minutes late, and the Cardiff
saying it was 52 minutes late.
Yeah, nice. It was 52 minutes late. You're so funny.
And then the 11:20 off Cardiff Central is still delayed.
Yep, and there's KCV videos with a service update for you. Now onto the weather. I'm joking. Let's see what's next.
On to
Right, ladies and gentlemen, I have missed some services come in. So this one here, 1 Victor 41, which will form the service back out to Manchester Piccadilly, terminated in from Birmingham New Street. The pacer is the 0955 arrival from Exmouth. So let's see what's next anyway. Okay, race. Clag. 143617 pulls out, which is transferring over to platform 2. That smells horrible.
621, lens spacer.
Yeah.
It's green.
We've already seen 61 this morning.
now. Actually,
Also going out is the 10:07 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly, starting here at Paignton. Nice turn off. Well, that's the happiest driver we've had this morning. 221 134. Same as not 133, but hey ho. No, Charlie. Yes, on your way. That's a good idea.
And 75014.
No, she stays.
No, mate, it's called a tour. All wood is called a tour.
Okay, see what's next. Okay, coming in now is 143617 with some lovely flange. Also here today with us is Great Western Spotter.
Taking a photo off the train.
Oh, why? Why a pacer?
All you know is 143,620.
Wait. See what's next as she screeches in.
It's got a head code.
Lovely. Okay, departing now is the 10:21. The 10:21 Great Western Railway service starting here at Paignton to Exmouth.
Discern.
143617. That smells absolutely disgusting.
Not too bad. Could be worse.
No, if you smell it now.
So guys, another service update for you.
Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, Okay, driving in now. 153.370 off Newton Abbott. Again. Which will form 10:39 Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's. Let's see what's next.
10:35, Great Western.
Okay, departing now. It's 10:35.
10:33, sorry.
Alright, and 10:33 Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's. Starting here. 153.370, calling at Torquay, Newton Abbott. It's a tour, is it? Tour. Newton Abbott, Timber, Dawlish. Oh, great tone for the driver. Timber, Dawlish, and Exeter St David's. Skips the rest of them.
That wasn't really a little tone, it was a nice big tone from the driver.
Yeah.
A nice smile on his face. I think he's happy because he's driving a dog box.
I'd rather be driving the dog box than the Pacer, I'm not going to lie.
All the people that are driving Pacers were unhappy.
Nothing's changed there.
Probably because it was early in the morning.
It could be worse, it could be a Monday morning.
That's a nice birthday.
Okay, let's see what's next. Anyway guys, as she pulls out, I shall be ending my Paignton video here. So thank you for watching my Paignton video. If you've liked what you've seen here at Paignton, then please do like and subscribe. Any questions are always warmly welcomed as usual, and I'll get back to them basically as and when I can, really. My opinion on Paignton, like I said, I'll be doing station opinions, and I'll mount them up at the end of the month, which is my favourite. Then I will announce it at the end of the month. So my opinion on Paignton is a very nice station. Great for views. It's a fantastic view. It's north and south level crossing. So there's also the Heritage Railway here as well. So yeah, my next video will be from Hale as well. Also, just while I'm on the subject of the Cornwall, Penzance Centre is still not up yet. I do understand that. I am still trying to hunt for the SD card, which I am doing it very soon. Anyway, here today with me is KTV Videos and Great Western Spotter. So yes, go check out their channels. No. Right, so anyway, I shall see you all in Hale. Take care guys, and goodbye.